Hey everyone, Jody from Bear Dog Off-Road Adventures here. Today we're going to show you our brand new FieryRed Bronco 4-door tube doors. You'll want to stay tuned. Alright, we got our doors boxed in. We'll open these things up in just a moment. I'm assuming the larger box is for the front doors and the smaller box is for the rears. Alright, so instead of having to use that little con thing from the factory, easy 4x4, you come out with this kit. Just twist this on. And you don't have to ever remove it again because you can just put this on. And ironically, this is the same side hex as what takes the bolt up here and the factory doors off. So you don't even have to buy extra tools. You just want to save this for later in case you ever want to keep it for something else. This little wrench right here will help you tighten it up. You put your little nut piece down here for this one. Get it good and tight so that falls off. Alright, so now we gotta test it. So let's go ahead and tighten these up. Well, it's the same process of taking your doors on and off. You know, whether you're putting these on or not, you'll put these, like I said before, the top, that in the bottom. You want to get them good and tight before you put them on. That way, then you can go back and adjust them like we did. You see here on the driver's side, on both the front and the back, we had to add shims to get the door to shut right. So the trick, see, like you see here, it shuts. So you're pretty good. Now this was going, it was too far up. So if you need to shift the door down to close, you shimmy the top. And if you need to shimmy the door up, or if you need to shift the door upwards to close, then you would want to shimmy the bottom ones down here. And you have all the shimmies in here. You have the small ones, which are for the lower, and the upper, big ones for the upper. We did use the easy 4x4 little kit here, make it on and off easier. We'll put a link down below. We are affiliate of theirs, so you can get that for yourself as well. Makes it a lot easier to take these on and off. Alright, so we didn't show you all 4 doors being installed. We showed you basically the back 2, but the front is exactly the same as far as the steps and the processes. As you saw, we had to use the shims to get ours lined up just perfectly, but that's the same way with any tube doors. You know, even the Ford Performance ones have those as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. If you want a set of these for yourself, please feel free to check out the description below. We'll put a link to the Amazon so you can get them yourself. And our good buddy Raptor Roach has these on his Raptor as well, and he loves them as well. So just something to note. I did reach out to them. They did have some scratch marks on the packaging, so I just recommended better packaging, but nothing I couldn't touch up with some spray paint. And also, too, just a little minor note, you know, I did have to add a little bit more to the bump stops to get it to close snug on a couple of the doors, and that's just a quick and easy trip to Home Depot to get some of the adhesive little bump stops like you put on the bottom of your chair. No harm, no foul, works perfectly. These things look great, and I don't regret getting them at all. It looks like the center parts there, you could paint those if you wanted to color match your body, or if you had some kind of other scheme in mind. But we'll leave you alone and let y'all get back to what you're doing, but hope you enjoyed watching this, and hit me up if you have any questions in the comments below.